everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I am so super excited to bring you today's super easy recipe. You won't believe how delicious it is, and you won't believe how simple it is because it was made in my GeekChef pressure cooker. This is a super easy Israeli Couscous Pilaf. Guys, it's made in a matter of minutes. It's absolutely full of flavor. It's absolutely healthy. You can serve this with just about anything. You'll be able to find all the ingredients you need for today's recipe in the description field under this video. And please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Begin in your GeekChef electric pressure cooker on saute function. We're going to press the saute button once, and then we're going to press the time and temperature button twice. And I'm going to change it to 390, and then we're going to let that start up. See, in the bottom of my pressure cooker, as is on the saute function, I'm going to add the butter. Now that the butter has melted, I'm going to add my couscous, and I'm using Pear Couscous, or this is Israeli Couscous, Israeli style couscous. I found this in Walmart. So I'm going to toast my couscous for a few minutes. You're going to be able to smell them. As they begin to become fragrant, we're going to add the onions and peppers. Okay, I'm beginning to smell the couscous. It's been about 2.5 minutes, so I'm going to add my onions and peppers. And I'm going to let this go for another 3 to 4 minutes. I just want to cook until the onions are translucent and the peppers are beginning to get a bit tender. Everything is going to become even more fragrant. You're going to be able to smell those onions and peppers. So it's been about 2.5 minutes and my couscous has gained a tremendous amount of color. So I'm going to add about half a cup of frozen peas and carrots. I got a little less than half a cup, or half a cup though. I'm also going to toss in some fresh garlic. I'm going to give everything a toss together. Chicken stock, or you can use vegetable stock. I'm going to toss in some dried basil and Parmesan cheese. I'm not going to add any salt to this because we have enough salt that's already in the stock plus from the cheese. And I like to add my pepper at the end. So I'm going to just give everything a thorough stir together. The lid onto my pressure cooker, making sure that it's in the closed position, the vents closed. Now I'm going to hit the cancel button on my pressure cooker to stop the machine completely, and then I'm going to hit the rice function, and then I'm going to hit the time temperature button, and I'm going to change it to 6 minutes. I'm going to let this go, and after the machine completely stops, I'm going to open the steam vent straight away. So we'll be back once everything is done. So my pressure cooker let all the steam out. I'm going to hit the cancel button just to turn it off. Here is the couscous. Looks good. Looks good to me. So I'm going to plate this up and show you guys what it looks like. So here's our couscous. I garnished with a little bit of dried parsley. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Can't wait to give this a taste. It's so packed with flavor. It has a nice creamy texture from the Parmesan cheese. Guys, you can serve this with salmon or any fish of your choice, along with shrimp, or you can add mushrooms to this. You know, you can add whatever type of vegetables you want to this. Zucchini. The list just goes on and on. So there you have it, how to make Israeli couscous, or should we say Israeli Couscous Pilaf. Please add this video to your playlist, hit the thumbs up please, and share this video and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and please remember to live and be well. Thank you so much.